Namaste, this is Sunny Poswal and you're watching Gardening Talks. So this is in continuation to our discussion on the golden purple or money plant. We already had a detailed discussion on this, how to grow it by stem. The link for the same is given in the I description. You can see there and check out like what all I have explained there about growing by stem. In this video, what all we are going to uncover. So now like a lot of things have been remaining there. So you must be wondering like what I feed them or what I make to have such a long leaf. You see the size of the leaf, right? So the way it's going up, the more and it's having bigger leaves, right? So what is the secret behind that? That is something like we are going to uncover. So and before I proceed further, I urge you to watch this video till end so that you don't miss the important tips. So let's have a look on the plant, which is you see here, it's climbing on the wall and it's having beautifully grown big leaves. So and secret here is its nodal roots. You see the money plant here, it has stuck itself by the help of these smaller nodal roots. Let me zoom in if you can see them. So these roots provide the required nutritions to the plant, and you see it's going up, and it's like the more it goes up, it's having the bigger leaves. If you see on the lower down, it would not be having that big leaves, right? But when it's going up, leaf size is increasing. And the reason is because like the entire stem is having nodal roots which are making the plant stick with the wall and helping it to climb as well and to get nutritions. But you see here some clamps. I have some clamps here. Why? Because see, this is something like this is a plant, right? So it's not having clamp, so it's like just like moving and it's not sticking. So to help it sticking on the wall, that's what like I have done here. I have just applied some initial levels. You see one clamp here, another clamp here, then another clamp here, then here. Oh, this is the last clamp you see here. If you can see, yeah, this one, white one. And after this, you won't see even a single clamp. It's just growing by its own. You might have observed some other, plants are going on. These all from same cutting, same plant. And the difference between the sizing is the secret, because this one is having nodal roots stuck to the wall, and which are helping to gain the required nutrition and for the better foliage, better growth. So whatever you have observed on the wall, you would be seeing the same pattern here as well. So here, like if I go down, you would see the nodal roots. You can see here, this is one nodal root which is coming down, right? So those nodal roots, initially you have to tie it up in the mold stick, and then you see this, if you can see, yeah, this one, right? So this is small, it would just stuck itself in the mold stick, and it will take the nutrition from the moss, and which would feed it very well. And the way it would be going up, it would be having bigger size leaves, healthier, lush green, and I believe in a month or two, especially July, August, it would be completing this entire height of the moss. I hope you like the information which we have shared and discussed today. If yes, do hit the like button and share it with your friends. I will see you in a next video with a fresh topic. Till then, sayonara.